Hi, my name is Angie with Heart Lemon Bundles, and today I'm going to teach you how to use a sewing machine. First, you're going to want to connect your sewing machine, and then you're going to want to make sure that you turn it on. You will then place your sewing thread onto this spool pin. I purchased these bobbins on Amazon for $7.99. It comes with 25 plastic bobbins and they are amazing, and you will definitely need these for all the different colors of thread that you're going to have to use for your projects. So here is the bobbin that I am going to use, and I will show you what to do next. Start by removing the extension table. Then you will open the hook cover and you will remove the bobbin case by pulling on the latch. I will then grab some of my thread and I'm just going to glide it around the bobbin winder thread guide, and I will just lightly pull on it just to make sure that it has latched on correctly. Now I will grab my thread and I will insert it through the hole on the bobbin. Make sure that you insert the thread from the inside out. Once we have done that, we will put our bobbin on the bobbin winder spindle. We will then push the bobbin to the right. Now, before we wind the bobbin, we want to make sure that we pull the hand wheel out. Hold the thread and push on the foot pedal to begin winding the bobbin. You will now lift up the bobbin and you will cut the thread. Next, you're going to place your bobbin inside the bobbin case, and you're going to pull the thread into the bobbin case slot, just like so. Now, before you put the bobbin case back in, what you want to make sure is that the thread is on the left side of what is known as the horn. And just make sure that it slides smoothly. Now you're going to want to go ahead and you're going to want to pull on the latch. And then you're going to insert the bobbin case back in its place. And right about this moment, it's time for a Coke Zero break. We will now thread the machine. The rest is pretty self-explanatory. We will simply follow the guides on the machine. In this case, to begin, we will go around the thread guide, which is step number 1, as you can see. Step number 2 would be to draw the thread down into the tension area and up. For step number 3, we will make sure that the lever is all the way up, and we will do that with the hand wheel. Once it is, we're going to grab the thread and we're going to draw it around. We will then bring the thread down and we will slip it into the lower thread guide, as you can see right here. Then we will grab our thread and we are just going to draw it around the needle bar. We will then thread the needle from front to back. Go ahead and close the hook cover. You will now turn the hand wheel towards you until the needle goes all the way down, back up, and it will pull the thread that's on the bobbin below up. Pull both threads and pull towards the back before you begin sewing. Here's a closer look. Before we begin sewing, we want to make sure that our fabric is going to stay in place. To do this, we're going to use the presser foot lifter to lower it down, and then once we've done that, we're ready to begin sewing. And we are done. And that's a wrap. I hope that you've enjoyed this video and that the instructions were super easy to follow. If you'd like to learn more, make sure you subscribe to our channel as we have much more coming your way. Until next time. Make sure to subscribe if you want to view more of our videos, and if you want to learn more, make sure to subscribe and